Okay, so just as an overview, a very quick, very basic, out-the-box kind of thing. This is the standard sort of order page with StudioCart, and literally you don't have to be using any of the other funnel features. You can take your audience directly to a, like you have on your current site, a list of programs. They can come here and they can choose the options if you're going to give options, etc. In this case, I'm just going to choose free because we haven't set up your payment plan system yet. So literally they would come along here. This would normally, if I had chosen this option here, it would have the credit card information here that they'd be entering. And as I say, this page could have all sorts of information at the bottom, like the videos from YouTube that you've got on your current page. Okay, you can often offer this. As you'll see at the moment, I've made it defaulted to sign up to mail-chimp. I am finding that with mail-chimp these days, you do need to have some form of consent, so it's always a good idea to do something like this. It doesn't have to say that, it can say anything. They literally can go buy now, and it's going to take them across to a thank you page. So I'll just do it again. It'll take them across to a thank you page, and in the background what's happening is it's gone across to your MailChimp, and it's added somebody to your MailChimp, and it has also gone and processed the payment on Stripe. If the payment's on Stripe, they would get this final sort of thank you page. And again, this can be customized with all sorts of things. As you can see, you can customize these pages, but literally there's not much setup in these things. If we go into the back end of it, you can see exactly, if you know how to write a blog post, it's exactly the same. You write the heading, you write a little bit of a blurb with pictures, etc. If we're going to do it in Elementor, as I say, I could do a template for you, but you could do it this way as well if you wanted to. There's, not many of these options you need to worry too much about. One of them is the payment plan. So you would have seen on the front that I have two different payment plans. I have one for the $4.50 and one for the free. You can, which is very nice with StudioCart, you can also offer the option of having actual payment plans, like 3 payments of X, So this one's obviously a one-time payment, but you have the option to do reoccurring payments, and then obviously also a donation option, pay what you want, So there is that option, and that we would have to link in with your Stripe, because Stripe obviously would also need to be set up with those reoccurring. A little bit more tricky, but it's something that is very powerful within StudioCart, and not even that easy with ClickFunnels. As you saw, I didn't use any of the other features, things like the order bumps, the first upsell, second upsell, none of that. It just sends them straight to an order confirmation, and then, as I say, they're on your MailChimp list. If we want to, we can then set up a automation that the minute they arrive on this list, they get sent an email with some further instructions as to how to redeem whatever it is they've bought. But you can sell digital, you can sell live. It's really not restricted.